Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to use your voice in Suno AI music generator. So typically how you would create some kind of AI song or something is you just type in a text and it creates the voice for you using the AI models, but you can also use your own. So if you wish to add it, it's actually pretty simple. You just need to navigate to the Create tab, and in here under the song description, as you can see, we have plus audio and plus lyrics, so you can add your lyrics or audio. So if you wish to add your own voice, you press on plus audio here, and then you can either record right here on the website, so in real time by using your microphone, or you can just upload. So for example, if you want to record, you press on record, you agree to the terms like this, and now of course make sure to press on this button, then I'll allow your microphone. As you can see, my microphone is used now. So allow it, and then you can use your own voice to create some songs or whatever you wish. And if you wish to upload, you just press on this button, browse your PC's file explorer, find a audio file that you wish to add, upload it, and then work with it from here. So enjoy guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.